Okay, so hello guys. Today I received a laptop from my company IBM, which I have joined last week as an intern. This one, which I received, is of Lenovo, which is ThinkPad, and it is T14 model, which is of i5 processor, and I guess it is of 10th generation. Let's check for the specifications. It's not written this side. It's written only T14 generation 1. I think some another user manual should be there in which all the specifications have been written. Uh, so without wasting my time, let's open this box. Here, a seal of Lenovo is also there. Yes, setup guide is here. I think complete new laptop I received. And here's the charger box. Let's keep this aside. Let's take out the main product. Whoa, it's quite sleek and quite lightweight. It is around 1.5 kgs, which is whoa, so lightweight. It will be good for me to carry anywhere. Okay, so here's the main product, and I think it's complete new. It has a shutter button also to turn off camera. If you have accidentally opened while in meetings, you can be safe from this. And the look is pretty good. And finally, I will say thank you so much, IBM. Thank you so much for this laptop. And I have just seen on advertisement that this laptop it turns to 180 degrees. See, the link of this laptop I will share in my link description. And this laptop looks pretty good. It's so small, so slim. There's C-type charging, USB this side, HDMI. And what is this? Okay, SD card slot, headphone jack, RJ45 lock, I like this product so much. Thank you so much, IBM. In the meanwhile, during the setup, I'm using this from 10 minutes, and now I found that this one is screen touch also. Here I've touched just for cleaning the dust, then I found this one as screen touch. That's pretty amazing.